Hi, it's T. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get data in the right format. Um, Data in the real world is very messy. Things can be uploaded into R and they can show up in the wrong format. A common one is getting the date column showing up as a number format. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to, transform the data into the correct format so it reads correctly. So I'm going to use the Titanic data set as an example. So just to skip to the end for anyone who doesn't have time. So if you just copy this, you can use this. So this is the Titanic. Here is the Titanic data set. Here's the column I want to change. You just copy this and switch it over for your data set, your column, and as character or as date or as integer, and you will make the transformation. Just run it and it will be transformed. Okay, let me peel back for everyone who wants the more granular details. Um, Here's the Titanic data set. So it's a standard in R now. So if I just library it and then I do an str, and str will just kind of show you a summary of the data set. So if you look here, we have, for example, here. So most people are familiar with the Titanic story. And what is it? Here's the passenger ID, the number of people survived. The 0 and 1 stands for, 0 is didn't survive, 1 is survived. So that's fine. Here we have Pclass, right? So Pclass is showing as integer. So Pclass is the class, like, for example, if you're boarding a plane, for example, you have first class and, the standard class, economy, econo- economy, and then you have the different classes, right? So here we have class 3, class 1. So these are the different classes, but it's reading as integer. So why is this a problem? If we're trying to do a function for whatever reason, or for example, in my case, a decision tree model, we don't want the it reading as an integer, because if we have two first class people like class 1, we don't want two first class people don't make a second class, so that's wrong. So we have to change it to a character. So to do that, um this is the way I this is the way you're shown sometimes to do it. This is how I tried it first as character, and it does that. And then if you question mark as character, it essentially shows you to do the transformation that way, but it's wrong. This is the way you should be doing it. It should be like, just to confirm, if you run this now, you'll see that the character, after I run that code, it's still, the P class is still coming as integer when it should be changed to character, right? So if I run this now, Titanic class, and I have the code, so I have the code in the description, so you can just copy the code, change it around for your specific data set. And if I do the str now, P class is going to come in as character. So there, perfect. So that's the way it works. Thanks for watching. I had an issue with the as.character function, and this is the way I found that works for me. So hopefully that works for you. Please like and subscribe if I helped you. And thanks for watching.